Well, I suppose it's important to publicize current patterns and trends in FCPA enforcement. And you said that the background is now clear. But to what extent does the new guidance also provide a clearer picture of the conduct that the government wants to thwart?
It does, and I think what it does do very well is talk about cooperation and the value of cooperation. And it has long been said in speeches and at bar conventions that if you cooperate, the fines will not be so big, that the punishment may not be so hard, the investigation might be much shorter, and the disruption to the business, again, also much shorter. They put it in writing. And I think when you put it in writing, it's helpful to companies, because a big challenge for a compliance officer or general counsel and the outside counsel is convincing the board, when they become aware of some problem in some foreign country, that they have a choice to make. It is not against the law for them not to report that. They could fix it, put it aside, and move on. Now, if they get found out years later, months later, weeks later, however long it is later, and there's another event, and they had the other one and they didn't report it, because once the DOJ and the SEC get inside the company, they're going to look everywhere, from basement to attic. And if there are unreported events, and again another event happened years later, it's not going to be the best set of circumstances for a company to deal with.